One of the top things that I was looking forward to when I went to summer camp was the infamous s'mores. Now, did you know that the first s'mores recipe was found in the Girl Scouts Handbook of 1927? What you gonna need? Marshmallows, chocolate, graham crackers, any kind of biscuit really, maybe some more marshmallows. Number 1, roast that marshmallow nice and toasty. Number 2, graham cracker, chocolate. Number 3, squeeze them together with that marshmallow and enjoy. And number 4, don't forget to apply for Camp America 2019 so you can enjoy some s'mores all summer long.